Hello, let me show you a few tips what you can do if you have any Wi-Fi problems. For example, your Wi-Fi is disconnecting or you have unstable connection, or you can connect at all. So first of all, you will have to start by opening settings. Right now, you will have to scroll down for general management, open a reset option, and right now just go simply for reset Wi-Fi and build settings. This is the first thing that I can highly recommend you. So we have to just click on it, click on the reset button, and now you will have to go back to the Wi-Fi settings and simply try to connect to the specific Wi-Fi network and check if everything goes fine. If not, you have to also try to simply go for a software update, because often when there is some kind of the common problem, those updates fix a lot of issues. So simply click to check for the updates. If the new update will be available, just make sure that you are gonna get it. What you can also try to do, well, a simple method to simply restart your phone. So how it looks, you can just open this one, click here, and simply try to restart. After the restart, test your network. But of course, you can also try to go for the connections. If nothing is working properly, go for the three dots in the right upper corner, go for the Wi-Fi, go for the intelligent Wi-Fi. And I can recommend you, if you have more than one Wi-Fi network connected, to switch to better Wi-Fi network. So often if there's like any problems, if something is unstable, this phone will automatically switch for the better Wi-Fi networks. And sometimes you can even get this option to switch to mobile data. And if you are using a SIM card on this phone, then it will switch for the mobile data if there's like any problem with a Wi-Fi. I know it's not like a 100 fix for Wi-Fi, but if you need stable connection to the internet, sometimes this can actually help you. And the last thing, just make sure that the airplane mode is turned off, because when the airplane mode is enabled, as you can see, the Wi-Fi will turn off. So this is something very important. Even if I'm gonna turn it on right now manually, it's not gonna work properly. It will look like it's connected, but it's not working. So I have to manually turn off the airplane mode.